So tomorrow is our last video on preparing for the beginning of school. Don't miss it. It may be the most important video in all 5 that we've dropped this week. Do you want to improve your classroom management skills? Do you want to increase student engagement? How about amplifying student success? If these are things you're looking for, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Things That Work. This is the 4th video. We are talking about today organizing our classroom and some of the things we need to think about when organizing our classroom. Now, I've already posted 2 videos on seating arrangements. I encourage you to check those out. I will place them above so that you can see those 2 videos as well. But organizing your classroom goes beyond just seating arrangements. You need to think about flow and dynamic of people. How are they going to move when they turn papers in? How are they going to move when they need to go to stations? How are they going to move throughout your classroom? And is there room for them to move? In my classroom, from time to time in the past, there have been moments when there just wasn't room for a lot of movement. And so we had to make do with staying seated as much as possible. Do students get up when they want to throw trash away, or do you have a designated time for students to throw trash away? These are things we need to think about. Classroom traffic, classroom seating. How papers will be turned in. As you know from earlier videos of mine, I use a thing called an alphasplit. I encourage you to check into that. There's a video for that as well I'll post above. It will help you have your papers turned in already in alphabetical order so that it makes it much easier to grade by going straight down the list and entering grades. But that movement in your classroom, how is it going to happen? Where are you going to be seated? Make sure you have access to all of your students. Classroom arrangement is crucial. Where do you hang your anchor charts on the walls? Where are your resource materials? Where are your textbooks going to go? Think through these things and start organizing a classroom in your head. Now, I am at a serious disadvantage because I have been in a different classroom almost every year that I've taught. Now, that has been a blessing in some ways because I have not accumulated a ton of junk in my classroom for the last several years. But on the other hand, I have to reorganize and spend some time rethinking and reorganizing my classroom every year. The process that you go through every year to reorganize, please share that with us down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell next to the subscribe button so that every time we post something new, you will be notified. I enjoy learning with you, I enjoy teaching with you, and together we can take over the world.